Tripura Info News Update.
মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মানিক সাহা আজ সকাল 11:30টায় হাপানিয়া অবস্থিত ইন্টারন্যাশনাল এক্সিবিশন সেন্টারে স্টেট ইনোভেটিভ মিশনের উদ্বোধনী অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত থাকেন।
Students came here and they are very much excited and they are very much thrilled what I have found. We welcome them and our dear media friends. Today marks an important milestone in Tripura's development journey. Our state, already have mentioned my previous speakers, that Tripura is rich in natural resources and culture and heritage in stepping into an innovation-driven future. I would like to thank the chairman of Niti Aayog, Honorable Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Vice Chairman Niti Aayog Suman Beri ji, and Honorable Union Minister of Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh ji for launch of India's first state innovation mission in Tripura, which never we have thought of. And I am sure that our Honorable Prime Minister already, he has mentioned that Act-East policy, through Act-East policy again, I think Act Tripura policy has made in his mind. So in different occasions we have received so many things from him. We have consciously placed good governance at the center of our development strategy. We have focused on administrative and business reforms, then digital governance, forward-looking industrial and startup policies. Tripura is the only state in the country where entire government functioning from cabinet and state secretariat up to 3-tier village council as well as our GP is totally paperless. And for that we are very much proud of us. Good governance initiatives are aimed at providing economic opportunity to the people and to translate youth aspiration into enterprise. It is the part of Niti Aayog state support mission. This initiative helps states and union territories build strong, localized innovation ecosystems based on their specific strengths. Tripura State Innovation Mission is a novel initiative supported by Atal Innovation Mission to create an ecosystem to nurture talented enterprises, adopt cutting-edge technologies, and translate ideas into projects. Innovation happens when institutions collaborate and ideas flow freely. State Innovation Mission is designed to synergize the efforts of government, academia, industry, startups, then investors and communities into one ecosystem. I am pleased to share that Tripura Institution for Transformation and Department of Information Technology have collaborated with Indian Institute of Management Calcutta, then Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, Indian Institute of Management Bangalore and T-Hub of Telangana to conceptualize and establish the Tripura State Innovation Mission and T-Nest. State Innovation Mission will nurture enterprises that will solve problems faced in agriculture, in green technology, in digital services, in tourism, in healthcare and beyond that. One of our greatest strengths lies beyond the geographical boundaries, our global diaspora. You will be glad to know, already you must be knowing that through the Puravashi Tripura Vashi Summit, we have created a structured engagement platform. Few days back, we have arranged that event, and they represent intellectual capital, financial capital, and global exposure Under State Innovation Mission, we will actively leverage this network for mentorship, investment and market linkage. Because these peoples have their roots in Tripura, so they will be feeling glad to come over Tripura. Strategically positioned in the northeast, Tripura has the potential to emerge as a regional innovation hub, connecting India's growth story with emerging Southeast Asian economic corridor. Tripura is third fully literate state in the country after Mizoram and Goa. Agartala has India's third international internet gateway along with Mumbai and Chennai. Tripura is emerging as educational and health services hub with large number of higher educational institutes, private universities, medical and paramedical institutes. Tripura is the second largest producer of rubber after Kerala. We have several species of bamboo, at about 21 species of bamboo we have, which is very versatile industrial raw materials. Horticulture produces like queen pineapples and scented lemon have made their mark in the world. We are exporting those scented lemons and queen pineapples along with other fruits. Economic activities around agro products are rapidly growing. Our indigenous communities possess deep ecological knowledge. Already mentioned by my previous speakers that bamboo technologies, then sustainable forest practices, then herbal traditions and climate adaptive living models we have. We envision integrating traditional wisdom with modern technology to develop solutions to the sustainable development. Today we have integrated, we are going to inaugurate T-Nest, that is nurturing entrepreneurship and startups in Tripura in this complex. T-Nest has been established as an execution arm of the State Innovation Mission. T-Nest is the bridge that will connect campuses to markets, ideas to investment, and innovation to impact. T-Nest will provide co-working and incubation spaces, mentoring support, then legal and compliance guidance, intellectual property assistance, investment promotion. Specialized laboratories will be set up through partnerships with academics and research institutions. Today we have signed and more already you have seen with T-Hub Hyderabad to engage with them as a knowledge partner for establishment of T-Nest and to strengthen the startup and innovation ecosystem in Tripura. Nadatur S. Raghavan Center for Entrepreneurial Learning, IIM Bangalore, then IIM Calcutta Innovation Park, then SBI Foundation, and even Bandhan Bank have agreed to assist in the capacity building of T-Nest. T-Nest will be linked with the upcoming state-of-the-art incubation innovation park at Chanmari near the upcoming Airtel data center. You must be knowing that already we have found Bhumi Pujan, we already have done there. So innovation centers shall be established in each of the 8 districts. We have 8 districts. Everywhere these innovation centers will be set up and which will be linked with T-Nest. Tripura would launch country's first district innovator fellowships to foster grassroots innovators. With the assistance of Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, Tripura will come up with the artificial intelligence policy, first of its kind initiative in the country. Agartala being the smart city, we shall introduce AI-based solution of the city management like traffic. Every times we see in newspapers, there is concern about traffics and all. So I think with this we can to some extent we can solve this traffic problem, then parking, power supply, drinking water, then flood control, solid and liquid waste and property assessments. Leading technology providers have expressed interest to share their use cases of AI, artificial intelligence, for improving public service delivery in Agartala city. We are in process of establishment of Tripura AI Center of Excellence with the assistance of Ministry of Electronics and IT Government of India. We are also planning to set up Tripura IT and Data Economic Zone to promote IT, ITES and data center ecosystem in the state as the demand for software enterprise is growing. We have decided to set up IT Park to provide co-working spaces in single campus. Just now I was discussing with Dr. Saab, he was telling that why the peoples will go outside of Tripura. So there are so many talents. If we can give this kind of platform, the people need not go outside like Bangalore, Hyderabad. So in that direction, we are thinking to do so. Tripura Startup Policy 2025 was launched with an inclusive and comprehensive approach. The policy welcomes innovation across agriculture, then tourism, forest-based industries, healthcare, IT services, rural technologies, and beyond. The startup policy intends to build a robust, inclusive, and structured startup ecosystems in the state. The youth of the state have responded to the startup policy with great enthusiasm. More than 130 startups have been recognized along with grant of substantial financial incentives. We have supported 50 student project ideas under the New Generation Innovation Network. So this reflects a growing culture of aspiration and risk taking among our youth. Together, this initiative will establish an end-to-end innovation ecosystem from early stage incubation to large-scale digital and technology investment, positioning Tripura as a regional hub of innovation. Innovation thrives in an enabling environment. I am proud to state that Tripura emerged as the top performing state in the country in compliance reduction and regulatory simplification exercise in 2025, for which our Honorable Prime Minister has given us, he has congratulated us, and many other states are learning from the reform strategy adopted by Tripura state. I had the privilege of chairing 2 task forces set up by the Ministry of Donor for investment promotion and development of infrastructure and connectivity. We have submitted the reports to the Ministry of Donor. I would request our Honorable Vice Chairman Niti Aayog to help us in implementation of the recommendation of the 2 task forces. Investors and entrepreneurs have displayed strong faith in the transparent, efficient, and progressive administration in Tripura state. You will be glad to know that we have received investment proposal of more than rupees 15,000 crore in last only in 1 year. Total 91 investment projects worth rupees 5,022 crores have been grounded already. Private investment is supplementing the public investment for rapid socio-economic growth of the state. We have registered double-digit growth of state GDP over past several years. My previous speaker also mentioned about that. Our per capita income is almost at par with the national level. Niti Aayog has declared Tripura as front runner state in the implementation of sustainable development goals, for which I should give thanks our Honorable Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog. The aspirational district Dholai has consistently ranked at amongst the top in the country. Saturation of 6 key performance indicators of Samarnata Abhijan in Ganganagar Aspirational Block has been awarded Prime Minister Award for Administrative Excellence in 2025. I am sure that the State Innovation Mission will play important role in accelerating the development of state in realizing the goal of Viksit Tripura and Viksit Bharat. Friends, innovation is not merely about technology. It is about transforming governance, empowering youth, honoring tradition, and building sustainable prosperity. The State Innovation Mission, Tripura is a commitment to nurture ideas, a commitment to empower entrepreneurs, a commitment to bridge the local with the global. Once again, I would like to thank the team of Niti Aayog, led by our Honorable Vice Chairman Suman Beriji, for supporting Tripura in establishment of State Innovation Mission and charting our journey to build new Tripura. I also thank our Honorable Union Minister of State Independent Charge for Science and Technology, who just left the stage. And with this, I conclude my speech. Jai Hind, Jai Tripura, Jai Ma Tripura Sundari, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Subscribe to Tripura Info and press the bell icon so that you never miss any latest updates and news on Tripura.